Kitty! Kitty! Oh, how you? Woohoo! Kitty! How you? Who's my little one? Oh, you like it? Oh, you like it? Kitty! Kitty! Hey, oh! Good morning, everybody. It is your boy Time Man here, and it is a brisk, sunny, and well, I wouldn't say brisk. It's still chilly as shit outside, but it is beautiful outside. That means, as you know, another perfect ride here in the Berg. So, and ironically, I have a doctor's appointment this morning. So, what a perfect day to ride. And I also work today, so why not that too? But hey, as long as the weather's beautiful, I ain't complaining. So yeah, let me get this bike pulled out and we'll be on our way. Awesome. So it's about 25 degrees out, but yet the sun's out, so that is an all go for me. And my mom's going to be going to get a car wash, so, and she has a doctor's appointment in the same building, so we're going to be heading out together, and I'm just going to follow her and just cruise on behind her. So yeah. So off to the car wash we go. Oh, come on, Mom, you could have made it. Just putting that peer pressure on. Gotta keep her going. Right after this white car, we are gone. Hell no, like my outside shield is fogging. My inner shield is fine, but my outside shield seems to be fogging. I guess it's because it's really this cold outside, honestly. So in other news, it's actually Groundhog Day today, and I just looked into the news, and the groundhog saw a shadow. You know what that means, and that's every biker's worst goddamn nightmare. 3 more weeks of winter. But that's just a little myth, so, and that's what I'm hoping, that it's just a myth. So yeah, I think I might have put my shield on the wrong way. I don't know, I think I did. As soon as we stop, I'm definitely gonna have to check this damn visor, because I don't know why it's fogging up. I really don't. Probably just have it on wrong somehow. Ooh, a Camaro. Well, hello there. Just gonna let some air flow in here. Pretty much just coasting down the hill right now. Sweet, sweet coasting. Now time to check the visor. Alright, I'm back. That was quick. Just check the visor, and I wasn't able to take my helmet off due to time constraints, because I don't know how quick my mom's going to be in this car wash here, but checked it, and it looks... Oh shit, that was fast. My mom is signaling me to come over there. Don't know why. What? Your mirror? She wants me to fix her mirror. Oop. You good? All right. No matter how hard I try, that clickling clackling on my damn jacket never goes away. I am so ready to get a new, an actual motorcycle jacket. I look forward to the day, I really do. Whew, speed bump. Now that was a big crater right there. Yeah, whenever I get to that, whenever we get to wherever we're going, I'm definitely gonna have to take this helmet apart just for a little bit. God, now my eyes are watering. Just another day, just another day. I mean, the fogging could be worse. I mean, I've had it at some times where the whole shield will fog up. And I mean the whole thing will fog up. And that's not good. When that whole shield fogs up, it is not pretty at all. I swear in the corner of my eye I just saw another rider. I swear I just did. It's your other fellow rider. Hello. Sorry I didn't see you. I just caught a pervert. You're just staring at that lady's butt. I think I see some snow. But it's supposed to be only a 30% chance, so it's looking good. Nothing incredibly scary. And we are here! Alright, see you when we leave. It's so nice out, but yet it's snowing just a little bit. Man, if only it could just be a little bit more, just a tad bit warmer, it'd be nice. Well, I'm in the sun, so I can't complain. How's the bike looking? Is she looking good? Yep. She's looking good as always. Now we're just waiting on the missus to get back. There she is on the phone. Awesome. Actually, I learned how to DIY quick shift on the Ninja here. It actually works. Doing that clutchless shifting, and it's actually working, and I'm actually extremely surprised right now that it's actually working. I'm loving it right now. To be honest, if more of the days around here could be like this, it'd be a lot more manageable and I would actually enjoy it a lot more. Oh god, voice crack, Jesus. So we're not going home just yet, we're actually going to be going out to lunch with Dad right now. I'm going to meet up with him somewhere. I didn't even know school was getting out right now. We're getting in session, unless that's just like some kind of like Catholic school or something and they go by their own rules. I guess they go by their own rules, I guess. It's so pretty out today. I'm so glad I chose to ride out today. Such a great time to do it too. Oh, it's so beautiful out today. Man, if it could only just be like this more often, it would just be so great. So much more better. I want to get one of these exhausts put on a really, really more powerful bike. And then, because right now, it screams whenever you're in first gear and you're barely just taking off. I can't imagine what it would sound like on a faster bike. Oh no, I thought I saw fog on my windscreen. No. Are you really on your phone? Get off the phone. Well, at least the left side of my shield isn't fogging up. That's a good thing, I guess. And there goes the sun. The wind is so hard. Fuck. Damn, those gusts of wind were just... And now the wind really just wants to pick up right now. These are like the windiest conditions I have ever ridden in my life. Woo! It only feels comfortable when I'm not moving, because right now the winds are just... they're kicking up. Ooh, we're going to go get some Chinese food. Woohoo! My favorite. It's a winter wonderland outside right now. Yeah! Awesome. That wind's starting to pick up just a little bit. Let's see, are you gonna pull? Okay, you're good. The winds are just really out right now. What are you doing? What? Oh, okay. What the fuck? Watch where you're fucking going. I mean, seriously, what the fuck? Oh my god, I got that on camera. Fuck. That motherfucker tried to cut me off. Watch where you're going, Jesus. I mean, you see clearly a biker trying to come down that hill right there. And yet, you still pull out. I mean, seriously, your pull-out game is garbage.
Forget this day.